So, hello everyone. Today I am coming with a new lecture, which is the problem is printing an even number with their index. So, how can we do this question? So, first of all, we know that at zero index there is 2. It is not even number. That's the even number on 0, 2, 4, 6 and at 7. Okay, at that index there is an even number. We want to print this number as well as this index. So how can we do this? So let's start doing this. First of all, we traverse that our array. For traversing our array, we want to do for int I equals to 0. We are starting from this, then I less than arr dot length, then I plus plus. So it is used for traverse every index of that array. Okay, after that we do we apply a one more condition, that's a if condition. If arr of I modulus of 2 equals to 0, if the remainder of this becomes 0, then what should we print? System dot out dot print ln arr of I, and through this we print a number. After that just we want to do this and I. Okay, this is the method how we print the number as well as the index. After that we close the loop, we close our outer loop. So it is the small program to print the even number with their indexes. So it's enough, and it's very easy program. You should first of all try this, and if you love this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more interesting video which I have taking every day for you. Thank you.